Beneath the words that dance upon this page, where silence often holds its breath, there lies a story whispered in the quiet corners of the heart. It is a tale woven from the threads of longing and hope, a melody sung softly by a princess who sees the world through the lens of both duty and desire. In the stillness of the night, when the stars cast their gentle glow over the palace gardens, her thoughts wander beyond the walls that confine her, reaching out to the one who stirs the depths of her soul. Each word she utters is a petal falling softly into the river of time, carrying with it the essence of love that is both tender and fierce. The heart, she knows, is a kingdom in itself, vast and uncharted, where emotions reign like monarchs, and every glance exchanged is a secret decree that binds two souls together in a silent promise. To love is to be vulnerable beneath the armor of a crown, to let the walls built by centuries of tradition crumble in the presence of a gaze that sees beyond titles and expectations. The princess understands this truth deeply, for love is not merely a word spoken in grand halls or written in royal proclamations. It is the quiet moments stolen in the shadow of duty, the whispered confessions carried by the wind through the olive trees, and the warmth of a hand held in the midst of uncertainty. Her voice, though often guided by protocol, carries the weight of 1,000 unspoken feelings. Each syllable is like a brushstroke on the canvas of her soul, painting a picture of a heart that yearns not for power or glory, but for connection and belonging. Beneath the words lies the pulse of a love that defies distance and time, a love that blooms in the hidden gardens of the spirit. In the tapestry of her days, where every moment is measured and every step watched, love becomes a secret language shared only with the stars. The princess speaks softly, her voice a gentle current flowing through the corridors of her world, reaching out to touch the heart of the beloved. She knows that love in its purest form is a dance of shadows and light, a delicate balance between giving and receiving. It is a promise whispered in the stillness before dawn, a vow etched not on parchment but in the very essence of being. Beneath the words lies a yearning that transcends the boundaries of place and circumstance, a desire to be seen and understood beyond the roles assigned by birth. In this hidden realm, love is a sanctuary where the princess sheds her crown and embraces the freedom of simply being. The moon, a silent witness to her midnight musings, listens as she confesses the depths of her heart. Each breath she takes carries the weight of hopes and fears intertwined, the delicate threads of a love that is both fragile and unbreakable. Beneath the words there is a strength forged in quiet moments of reflection and courage. The princess knows that love is not always a fairy tale with a perfect ending, but a journey marked by resilience and grace. It is the courage to stand vulnerable beneath the eyes of the world, to let the heart speak even when the voice trembles. In the solitude of her chamber she writes not just with ink but with the essence of her soul, crafting verses that reveal the beauty and complexity of loving deeply, while bearing the mantle of a legacy. Beneath these words lies the truth of a heart that beats with fierce devotion and tender hope. As dawn breaks and the first light touches the palace walls, the princess's thoughts remain with the one who holds her heart. Love is a quiet promise carried on the morning breeze, a gentle reminder that beneath the formalities and expectations, there is a connection that transcends time and space. The words she chooses are petals laid carefully along the path of their shared journey, each one a testament to the power of love to transform and heal. Beneath the words there is a story of two souls intertwined, finding strength and solace in each other's presence. The princess's voice, soft yet unwavering, calls out across the distance, bridging the gap between worlds with the simple truth that love is the most profound and enduring legacy one can leave behind. In the vast halls of history and tradition, where every gesture is steeped in meaning, the princess's love poem stands as a beacon of authenticity and emotion. It is a reminder that beneath the grandeur, beneath the words spoken in formal tones, lies a heart that beats with the same hopes and dreams as any other. Her love is a quiet rebellion against the constraints of her world, a declaration that even in the face of duty, the heart's desires cannot be silenced. Beneath the words there is a celebration of love's power to break through barriers, to unite what seems impossible, and to shine light into the darkest corners. The poem is not just a message to the beloved, but a gift to all who listen, an invitation to embrace love in its purest, most vulnerable form. The night returns, and with it the princess's voice rises again in soft cadence, weaving a spell of longing and devotion. Beneath the words there is a symphony of emotions, each note resonating with the truth of a love that is both timeless and deeply personal. She speaks of dreams shared in silence, of promises made without words, and of a future painted in hues of hope and faith. The poem becomes a bridge between hearts, a testament to the enduring power of love to inspire and transform. Beneath these words lies the essence of a princess who dares to love freely, who embraces the beauty of vulnerability, and who finds strength in the simple act of opening her heart to another. The voice of Leonore echoes through the ages, a reminder that love in its purest form is the greatest legacy of all.